In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change a recurring event in Google Calendar. This process is straightforward and I'll guide you through each step. By the end, you will feel confident managing your events efficiently. Let's get started. First, open your preferred web browser and search for Google Calendar. You can use any browser you like, such as Chrome, Firefox, or Safari. Once the search results appear, you will see the official Google Calendar link. This step is crucial because accessing the correct web page ensures you have the latest features and security updates. Once you find the correct link, click on it. This will take you directly to the Google Calendar interface. You'll see your calendar view showing all your events. It's essential to click the right link to avoid any confusion with similar sites. This keeps your experience smooth and straightforward. Next, log into your Google account. You'll need to enter your email address and password. If you have two-factor authentication enabled, follow the prompts to verify your identity. Logging in ensures that you have access to all your personal calendar events. If you encounter any issues, double-check your credentials for accuracy. Now, find the recurring event you want to change. Click once on the event. A pop-up window will appear with details about the event. This is a vital moment because it allows you to access all the event's functions. Make sure you select the correct event to avoid making changes to the wrong one. Next, click the pencil icon in the pop-up window. This icon represents the edit function. Once you click it, you will be directed to the event's detail page. Here you can make various adjustments. Accessing the edit function is crucial because it allows you to customize your event to fit your needs. Change the date, time, title, or invitees as needed. You can modify any of these fields to reflect your new preferences. For instance, if the event needs to be rescheduled, change the date and time accordingly. This flexibility is what makes Google Calendar a powerful tool for organizing your life. After making your changes, click the Save button at the top of the page. This action ensures that your updates are recorded in the calendar. It's important to remember to save your changes to prevent losing any modifications. You should see a confirmation that your event has been updated successfully. A prompt will appear asking which events you want to change. You'll see three options: this event, this and following events, and all events. Choosing the right option is crucial because it determines how your changes will apply across your calendar. Selecting this event changes only the single instance you clicked. If you want to keep other instances unchanged, this option is perfect. It allows you to make precise adjustments without affecting the entire series. Choosing this and following events changes the current instance and all future repetitions. It keeps past events intact while updating what lies ahead. This option is useful if you need to modify the schedule for upcoming occurrences only. Finally, the All Events option changes every single instance in the series, both past and future. This choice ensures that every occurrence reflects your new information. It is essential to be cautious with this option to avoid unintended changes to past events. Once you've selected your desired option, choose whether to send notifications to guests. You can select Send or Don't Send. This step is important because it keeps your invitees informed about the changes. Clear communication is key to maintaining good relationships, and that's how you change a recurring event in Google Calendar. You're now equipped to manage your calendar effectively. Thank you for watching, and happy scheduling.